think that's how we're gonna do it. Hey YouTube, what is up? We are back for another video, and we went ahead and we picked up this grill light, and it's basically a flex strip, and on this side right here we can just pull that off, and it's gonna stick on right here. And then we were looking to see how we were gonna run the wires, and I think what we're gonna do is we're just gonna drill a little hole through here and run the wires down through that. But we picked this up from Infinite off-road, and this was only 10 bucks. So we figured we'd try this out, and it's blue, so it matches our theme, the Blue Reaper. So hopefully this is gonna light up the grill and it's gonna look blue. And then they also sell rock lights, and if you wanted to, you could run this with the rock lights, but we don't know if we're going to put rock lights on this yet. So we just went ahead and just picked up this little flex strip, and we're going to see how it goes. Maybe down the line we run some rock lights, we're not sure yet. But this is made for plug and play into the rock lights, but what we did is we just cut the ends off, and we're basically going to hook this up to the Feniex mini controller, 4200, and we'll be able to push a button, and the lights should come right on, hopefully. But this is what we're going to be doing. It's not going to be a real long video. We figured we'd show you guys this because this is probably one of the cheapest mods for Can Am that we can do. 10 bucks. So if you didn't have the controller, you could probably either use the rock lights that the kit they have, or you could probably pick up a wiring harness. This isn't a lot of amperage. You can just probably hook it up to a rocker switch or some type of toggle switch, whatever you guys want to do. But since we already have the controller, all we basically got to do is we're going to hook the two reds up to the one wire off the controller, and then the two blacks are going to go to ground. And then that should complete our circuit, and we should have a pretty cool grill light. So I think we're going to go ahead and try and drill a hole through this piece right here, and then we'll run the wires down through back into that tunnel and go from there. So we'll go ahead and do that, run the wires, and then we'll show you how we did that, and then we'll go ahead and show you what it looks like, if it's worth the 10 bucks. Alright, we got that all wrapped up. It's a pretty simple job. So you show you guys how we ran it. Like we said earlier, it's got self-adhesive strip on the back there, and we just stuck it to there, and then we drilled a little hole right there, and then we brought the wires through, and then we just followed it with this light wiring harness and just zip tied it, and we took it through that tunnel just like we did the other one, and then we ran it out and hooked it right into the Feniex 4200 controller. So let's go ahead and try this out and see how it looks. is, let's go ahead and shut the lights off. Shut this one off. And shut this one off. Alright, so we'll turn the controller on. And we don't got the hood on yet, but let's see how bright it is without the hood. Wow. That's bright. Look at it light up the toolbox and everything. Go in front and show them how it looks in front. That is super bright. Does it look bright in the camera?
Yes.
And then all we gotta do, like if we put the hood on, you guys can see, it's going to confine it to that drill area, which is what we really wanted. Got it. And look at that. That's what we wanted. We wanted that Blue Reaper look, just lighting up the grill part area. And then when we have the chase lights on and that, it's going to be pretty cool. And then, let's see. Boom. Look at that. Can you still see the blue with the big light on? Oh yeah. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. But I mean, for 10 bucks, what do you think? I think it looks pretty cool. Lights up that whole grill area. It's with the theme of our build, Blue Reaper. And I definitely think that it's worth the 10 bucks. And like I said, all we did is we just hooked it right up to the Feniex controller again. And it's got its own dedicated button. Just push that button and it shuts on and off. Real simple. Boom and boom. Just like that. And it's all on the controller. So I thought that was pretty cool. I know this was a simple install, so we wanted to share it with you guys. This can work on anything. You can put it on a Ranger, Razor, anything. It's just a strip, and it just goes right in the front there, and you just stick it on there, and then you run it to the battery, and you're done. If you don't have the controller, just hook it straight to a toggle switch or a rocker switch, or whatever you guys got. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I thought it was pretty cool. I wanted to share it with you guys. If you're new to the channel and you like this kind of stuff, we appreciate it if you subscribe. That really helps us out. I think we're up to like 3,600, something like that. And we just keep building every day. So make sure you follow us on Instagram. Comment down below. Tell me what you guys think of this grill light. 10 bucks. I'll put a link in the description if you guys are interested. And with that said, I'll see you on the next one.